Good afternoon, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google Pixel 8 series gets new mint color. Google Chrome M121 update brings AI features. Motorola announces Android 14 update for select devices. Motorola Moto G24 power launch confirmation. Microsoft working on a small language model. Oppo Reno 11F 5G get to launch. AKAI introduces 4K QLED Google TV series in India and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google introduced a new mint color variant for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro smartphones. This follows a teaser with the tagline "Fresh Year, Fresh Drop." The mint color is added to the existing Obsidian Hazel Rose Pixel 8 and Obsidian Bay Porcelain Pixel 8 Pro options. The mint variant is currently exclusive to the Google Store and is available only in the 128GB model. The pricing for the mint color variant remains the same as other color options. The mint Pixel 8 is listed on Google India online store, but Pixel phones are typically sold through Flipkart in India. The mint color variant is expected to be available on Flipkart in India soon. Google Chrome's M121 update introduces experimental generative AI capabilities. The tab organizer feature suggests and create tab group based on open tab for easier multitasking. Chrome proposes names and emojis for these tab groups for user convenience. AI generated themes are added, allowing users to personalize browsers effortlessly based on various subject, mood, visual style and color. The text to image diffusion model is integrated for creating custom themes. These features aim to enhance the browsing experience while maintaining personalization. The update is currently available in the Chrome M121 version. Motorola has released the list of compatible devices receiving the Android 14 update. The update has already been rolled out for Moto G53 and Moto G54 beta build. Think Phone is also included in the devices set to receive the Android 14 update. Moto G24 recently launched in India and Moto G24 Power is expected to launch on 30 January with a larger battery and faster charging. The Android 14 update brings new features and improvements to the supported Motorola device. The list may be expanded to include more phones in the future. The stable update for Moto G54 is anticipated to roll out soon. Motorola officially confirms the launch of the Moto G24 Power, the next budget smartphone in the G series in India. The launch is scheduled for 30th January following the recent announcement of the standard Moto G24. The Moto G24 Power features a substantial upgrade with a larger 6000 mAh battery and 30-watt fast charging capability. In comparison, the standard Moto G24 comes with a 5000 mAh battery and 15-watt fast charging. Notable improvement in the front camera with the Moto G24 Power sporting a 16 megapixel camera while the standard G24 has an 8 megapixel front camera. Similar specifications include a 6.56-inch 90Hz HD plus screen, Helio G85 SoC, up to 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, 50 megapixel rear camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Additional features include stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, Android 14 and a water repellent design with IP52 ratings. The Moto G24 Power comes in glacier blue and ink blue color and is expected to be priced under Rs 10,000. Microsoft is developing a small language model to compete with OpenAI ChatGPT. The small language model will offer similar capabilities as ChatGPT but with less resource consumption. The project falls under Microsoft Azure Cloud Unit. The team led by CVP Misha Bailenko is working on building generative AI chatbots. These chatbots can generate responses to queries and images. Microsoft aims to create a smaller and more efficient language model, reducing the need for extensive hardware investment. The project is still in progress. Oppo Reno 11F 5G is expected to launch soon after appearing on certifications like TDRA and NBTC. Teasers from Oppo Indonesia and a leading page indicate an upcoming launch, possibly on 24 February. Certifications reveal features like splash resistance, a durable battery life of up to 4 years, and a triple rear camera setup. The smartphone is available for pre-orders in offline market. Color options include green, pink, and blue. It emphasizes portrait features and ultra-fast charging capabilities. The Reno 11F 5G is part of the Oppo Reno 11 series. AKAI expands its product line with the introduction of the 4K QLED Google TV series in India. The series includes sleek, bezel-less designs and sturdy metal cabinets for durability. Available in sizes ranging from 43-inch to 65-inch, the TVs feature 4K resolution powered by quantum dot technology. The TVs offer HDR HLG support along with Dolby Vision and Atmos. Operating on the Google TV platform, they provide access to a variety of apps through the Play Store. The TVs offer voice command convenience through the remote control. Connectivity options include 3 HDMI 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.